Well, ladies and gents, looks like we got some bad news. Would you please shut up? Ugh. This thing is way too warm. The engine we were going down to Texas to pick up for this car, turns out it's from the wrong year, the wrong series. It's from a Series 4, this is a Series 5, thus it won't work. So, we're not gonna go down to Texas and get it. I'm sorry, especially to everyone who's in Texas, who we were gonna hang out with and meet up with and stuff and do. It sucks, but we will come down to Texas someday, but today's not the day. The other bad thing, besides not being able to go to Texas, is that we don't have an engine for this car. Yet again, we're back to square one, and I've given up. I've given up trying to find a reasonably priced engine locally or from a person, even anywhere in the United States. So I'm just gonna buy one online. It's way overpriced, and oh my goodness, they're doing construction right over there, and it's... So yeah, we're just gonna buy the overpriced engine on eBay, which is probably blown up and it'll probably need to be rebuilt and all these other things, but I'm tired of waiting to get an engine for this car. I did not realize how rare an S5 Turbo 2 engine is and how expensive it is. You can buy a 2JZ for the same price I'm buying my engine for. Now, a lot of you guys are like, oh, why don't you just 2JZ swap the car? No, no pistons, no, it's an RX-7. All right, so as soon as I get paid and sell some t-shirts, which should hopefully be up for pre-sale on my website, go check them out, I'll buy the new engine and then we can get this build finished and then we can have an awesome turbo rotary drift car. And then we can go down to Florida and use it and do all these cool things, but I'm tired of waiting, so we're gonna get it done. This also means that all this hustle on the adventure bus has been kind of for waste because we don't really need to do anything with it now. But we're gonna keep working on it until I get the engine for this. So that's what we're doing today. Oh my gosh. So, let me go ahead and show you what we're gonna do. But today we're gonna be doing some wood planking on right here, and some wood planking on there, on there, on there, and on there. Just kind of finishing it off, getting rid of as much school busness as we can, and yeah, making it look a little nicer. I also have curtains on the way. Don't think those will be in today's video though, because they're gonna take a couple days to get here, but yeah, more wood planks. So the back wall is done. I think it looks really awesome. It makes it so much homier in here. I don't know. It looks really good. I really like what we did with the aluminum L trim because it ties it all in. It matches the factory bus window trim and all that perfectly. it just looks awesome. Speakers are in, everything is good, so that back wall's done. Now, we're gonna be doing this entire front wall. All this, up right there, and in this corner. And just like that, we are finished. You might be thinking, hey, you missed the spot. And you're right, this is like a raised level. It's got this like lip right here. So I didn't bother putting anything in the middle because it would have been, I don't know, kind of weird to do. But don't worry, that entire thing is going to be covered with the TV. In fact, this majority of this little front wall is going to be covered by the TV. It's a 50-inch TV, which means it will go from the top to the gray thing and, well, 50 inches from one corner to the other. I don't remember how long they are, how wide they are, but whatever. We also have some more finishing up to do. For instance, we're going to do this little area. We're going to get rid of that black thing, make something to go there, but I'm not doing that today. Vinyl fit like perfectly around this little thing. In fact, it's kind of a nice thing to use, but it's really awesome. It's, yeah, it's just really awesome. Yet again, I just love that aluminum trim that we are using. We're going to be using it in more spots. I'm excited for that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I did kind of make a mess in here. I'll clean that up tomorrow. We'll see how well the counter survived and see if we want to switch the counter now. I don't know. It's been cutting on it, gluing on it, and doing all sorts of stuff. So if it can survive this, it can survive cooking. That's for sure. Some good news is that we are getting the new shop. hopefully, as long as I pass the credit test, which I think I should. And we're getting out of this shop earlier. So we're going to be moving shops in March, which is pretty much only a month away. So that's really exciting. During the move, I'm just going to get rid of all my junk, because I've got a lot of junk that I didn't really think I'd ever collect, but yeah, I got a lot of junk. As I said earlier in the video, the engine we're going to be buying online, so if you guys want to support that, support the channel, go grab yourself a t-shirt, which they just came out, hopefully. I'm not going to release this video until I put them up, so yeah, they're out. Besides that, you guys, do the usual. Like the video if you enjoyed, dislike the video if you didn't enjoy, and tell me why you didn't enjoy. Check out my other forms of social media. I always forget to talk about this, but I have a Twitter that I'm really active on, Instagram, and Snapchat. I only have 5,000 followers on Twitter. I've got almost 300,000 followers on YouTube. That doesn't exactly make sense, so go follow me on Twitter. I ask you guys all sorts of questions and whatnot on Twitter, so it's kind of nice to have more than 5,000 people, because then I can get more accurate votes and stuff. But never mind. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for the continued support. Hopefully you guys are still enjoying the bus. We're doing that until we get the engine. And yeah, peace out, guys, and I'll see you next time.